with the pliers.
Okay. Still trying to help the birdie. Still can't really see what he did.
It's all fun.
Here. This is probably what I need. I need to get it off. I don't want him to fly away with it on his beak. Let me see the screwdriver.
Maybe a smaller one.
I see what it. Oh yeah,
What
yeah.
happened?
He drove one of these spikes into his beak. You see it?
Oh, yeah.
That's what he
He'll
did.
take it apart up there, starting up there. You see, I see where it's winded around.
You got him? I see you, buddy. Let me try to get his snip here. Well, I see what you did, buddy. I'm sorry. Yeah. Hold on, I know it hurts. Hold on. Okay, hold on. A couple more little snips here and there, buddy. And then you're free to go. Oh, it's gotta hurt. I'm sorry. Alright, hold on there, little buddy. Almost got you done. Okay, now. Oh, it drove all the way through. This is gonna hurt, but I'm sorry. But you'll be free afterward. There you go. It was this right here. He drove it into his beak.
Oh, it's blood on it.